Hey, I want to pick this. It's this Yale. It's a Y220/51. I guess that's the model of it. I got it from eBay. It's a marine padlock, all weather. Um, got a little oil on it, but that's a good thing. It came with 2 keys. It's a 5-pinner. To always use genuine Yale keys is what it says on the keyway. I hope you can see that or not. The lock does work perfect. It's got the ball bearing shackle. You can't take the cylinder out. It's not key retaining. So we'll lock it up and see if we can open it up. I'm going to use this tension wrench. It's a homemade bicycle tension wrench. It works perfect. The way the lock is made, it's really deep. The keyway is. We use top the keyway. So I'm going to use it just a Peterson 15 thousandths. Go in and start picking. Okay, I'm in a false set. Feel like pin 3. I got him. Pin 4. Got him. Okay, you can see that, but I am in a deeper false set now. Okay, not yet. Oh, you can see that. Almost open. So I got pin 1. Oh man, I just, okay. And there we go. It's a super fun lock to play with. It's not really hard to pick open. Probably has maybe three spools. But really fun lock to play with. It's an all-weather marine padlock. It's the Y220/51. I think I may have the package to this lock. I think I don't have it anymore. So anyway, guys, it's another Yale marine padlock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good day.